Jingle jangle, jingle jangle, jingle jangle. Hey, it's great to see you, and guess what? 'Tis the season. It's time to celebrate the season. And guess what I'm doing today? I'm making cookies. I love cookies. I'm doing a collaboration with my friend Delores The Baking Diva. And we're gonna be celebrating Santa Claus's favorite Christmas cookies. It's a collaboration with 7 people. I'll show you all 7 of them later in this video. Well, if you're in the know, you know that Santa Claus likes a little booze. So I've decided I'm gonna be making a boozy cookie. I'm making a beer and brown sugar cookie. Yum! Bowl, half a cup of butter. 1 cup of brown sugar. Mix that up. 1 egg yolk. Teaspoon of vanilla. Mix again. Next comes a 1/4 cup of beer. I'm going to try this one, S'mores Milk Stout. I like that. And so will Santa. Put that beer inside. 1 2/3 cup of flour. Teaspoon baking soda. Teaspoon baking powder. Pinch of cinnamon. Punch of salt. Teaspoon of cornstarch. Start mixing. Scoop heaped tablespoon cookies onto a baking sheet. I'm gonna bake them in a 325-degree oven for about 12 to 14 minutes. When they're done, take them right off the tray and let them cool. They're done, and they smell great. Let's give it a try. The taste, magnificent. Santa will be happy, especially if served with a beer. Very good. You definitely taste the brown sugar. A hint of beer comes through. It's a perfect cookie. Thank you so much for watching me here on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. But this celebration isn't done yet. There's more to see. Check out these other collaborators next for more cookies. What do you call someone who doesn't believe in Santa? A rebel without a claws.